If you want bass, like super bass, if you want that boom 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 bass. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Skullcandy Crusher Evos. I had just gotten these in the mail and I wanted to try them out for myself. I have heard some really interesting reviews on this product. The bass is what triggered me to buy the headphones. I wanted that thick bass, but I also wanted good quality sounding music. These headphones were only $200 Canadian, shipping was free, and it was crazy because there was only one left and I had to snag it. It was nowhere in stock in Best Buy, so I had to get it online. Now we are going to be opening up the box. It has a lot of instructions on how to turn it on and how to use the switches on the headphones. It has some little details that I want to show you guys. Experience personal sound. Technology in the Skullcandy app analyzes the hearing in your left and right ear, then automatically adjusts the audio to optimal levels for your specific hearing. The world's best bass, now personalized for you. Take a quick 3-minute test. Hear what you've been missing. On the right side it says let's get started, and it tells you how to turn on the power button for 4 seconds and open the Bluetooth settings on your device, whether it's a phone or an iPad or whatever, and then you can pair it and then say okay to the prompts. To the very right are the left and right controls. It shows you the volume, the play, volume down, and the bass up and down. Now that was all the details. Now we are going to open and unbox the headphones itself. Here in a beige case is the Skullcandy headphones with the Skullcandy logo. It is a really cool logo. I like it. It's in the color black. This is a really nice case for the headphones. I really appreciate the quality, and it's just a nice fitting headphone case. It also comes with a user guide for the Crusher Evos. All you need to know about the headphones. Inside is the charger cord and also the cord for connecting your headphones to your phone. So here it is. It's in a black color as well as the other cord. I just noticed that there's a buckle strap on the side just to open it so it stays closed, which is really nice for holding your headphones. Now I'm going to show you a close-up of what the headphones look like from side views to the front view and the back view, of course. So as you can see, there's a liner with a plastic, which is really nice to hold the headphones together so they stay in place. The headphones are in a really nice matte black color. I love it. It feels really nice, smooth to the touch. As you can see, the bass sliders and the power buttons and the volume up and down. So here's a close-up of the over-ear part of the headphones. They're nice and squishy, nice and comfortable. I really like how it feels on my ears. The handle is really thick and really durable, and it also says Crusher Evo and numbers on the top. Probably location or something. I'm really liking the quality of these headphones. They are in beautiful condition and I'm so happy with this purchase. Again, as you can see, here are the cords, and I also have a 2-year global warranty on the headphones. So that's good to use if they ever get broken. Now on to the test. As you can see here, I am really surprised by the vibration and the sound quality. I'm just so impressed. I love these headphones. They are amazing. They tickle my ears, and it just was a really cool feeling. So update, these like tickle my ears so bad. It's like vibrating so hard. I love it so much. The bass is the best part of these headphones. By far, I love these so much. The vibration is just like right into the ears, and I love it. I really like that feeling. It feels really cool. It's like a massage on your ears. I love the fit of the headphones. These are really nice. I like the bass, the how you can shift it to lower or higher bass, and the buttons for the volume are here and the playback. So yeah, I really like these. They're so cool. I just got them in the mail. I'm so happy about this purchase. I'm so glad I ordered it online because Best Buy was taking way too dang long to get in stock at the store. I waited for like 2 weeks. I got this online and I only waited a couple days, so that's really good for online shipping. I suggest you get online shipping and wait for the one random stock online. So yeah, the Crusher Evos, they are awesome. I love them. I can't wait to use these just for music and watching videos on YouTube. Even the music from YouTube videos sounds so awesome too. So yeah, I'll be using these every day. You can wear them wirelessly, you can wear them with the cord plugged into your phone, but my S22 Ultra does not have a phone jack, but that's okay. I can just play it wirelessly. I don't know if it sounds better with the wire, but it does sound good without the wire. So yeah. Oh, I'm so happy about this purchase. $200. I had a gift card. I could only use 2 gift cards for shipping, so I paid $150 and I just paid the rest on my credit card. So yeah, I'm really happy about this purchase. Go ahead and buy some Crusher Evos, you guys. If you want bass, like super bass, if you want that boom 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 bass, then go get these right now. Snag them before they're gone again.